Okay guys, so in this video we are looking at the June 2018 Edexcel Pure 1 full A-level paper, okay, and this is question number 2 on the Edexcel Pure Maths, okay, full A-level paper for the 2018 exam series, okay, so it's for year 13 pupils explicitly, but it can also be for year 12 as well, okay. Question number 2, a curve C has equation y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 24 root x, where the condition is that x is bigger than 0. Okay, so part A, I find du by dx. Well, writing this in power form, so I'm going to have y is equal to x squared. Take away the 2x. Take away 24 to the half. 24x to the half. Okay, now differentiating this, guys, du by dx, so 2x squared just goes to 2x, okay, the power comes down as a multiplier and then the power reduces by 1, minus 2x goes to minus 2 when you differentiate, and then differentiating minus 24x to the half goes to minus 12x to the minus a half, guys, okay, take off 1 from the power, a half take away 1 goes to minus a half. For part I, d2y by dx squared, so find the second derivative. So differentiating this, it goes to 2 plus, that will be 6x to the minus 3 halves for that, okay, for that one there, okay, when you differentiate that. The minus 2 goes when you differentiate minus 2. 2x differentiates to 2, and minus 12x to minus half differentiate to 6x to the minus 3 halves, because you have minus 12 times minus a half, which goes to positive 6, okay. For part B, verify that C has a stationary point when x equals 4. So I just sub in x equals 4 into the derivative, so dy by dx, so the first derivative, and make it look like, make sure that it's equal to 0. So I have 2 lots of 4 minus 2, sorry, minus 12, and then I'm going to have 4 to the minus half. So 2 times 4 is 8. Take away the 2. Take away 12 lots of 2. Oh, sorry, 12 lots of a half, sorry. 4 to the minus a half is equal to a half, sorry. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 12 times a half is equal to, to 6. So 6 take away 6 goes to 0. So that confirms that x equals 4, okay, is a stationary point. Okay, when you set dy by dx equal to 0, okay, and you solve this equation, okay, or you substitute, okay, then you get that dy by dx is 0 when x equals 4. For part C, determine the nature of the stationary point. So this is when we sub in, okay, x is 4 into here, and then see if it's bigger than 0 or less than 0 for the second derivative. Well, this is actually going to be bigger than 0, okay, when you sub it in. Okay, so when you sub in 2 plus 6 brackets 4 to the minus 3 halves, that's going to be bigger than 0, so that's what I call a minimum point. Okay, if it's bigger than 0, okay, then it's what I call a minimum point. Okay, for that one, guys. Okay, so that's question number 2, guys. Done.